Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you will be fine. Here is our countdown book 2. Now open your countdown. Dear students, we are doing the review of our chapter number 5, that is division. Today we are going to solve the page number 88. Now students, open your page number 88. Here is the topic in which we are doing the review of multiplication and division. Okay, students, today we are going to learn about the review of the multiplication and the division. Firstly, here is our question number 1. Multiply or divide as indicated. We will identify it and then we will multiply or divide. So students, look at this. Here is our question number 1, part A. In this, look at this. Here is the sign of the multiplication. So we are going to multiply these two numbers. Okay. So students, let's multiply. Firstly, we will read the table of 6 until the number 7. Read it with me, students. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, and 6 sevens are, tell me, yes, 6 sevens are 42. So students, here I am writing my answer 42. Come towards the next part B, in which we are going to multiply 8 with the 4. So we are going to read the table of 8. So students, read it with me. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, and 8 fours are 32. Very good. 8 fours are 32. Come towards the next question, that is part C. So students, look at this. Here we are going to divide it because there is the sign of the division. So we are going to divide 36 by the number 6. So students, we can read the table of 6 where we got the 36. Read it with me, students. Where we get 36? 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, and 6 are 36. Where we got the 36? Yes, at the point 6. So here I will write the number 6. 6 are 36. Okay students, come towards the next question, part D. We will read the table of 7 until the 9. So students, tell me 7 nines are, tell me, you will read the table of 7 complete and then you will answer it. So students, our answer is 7 nines are 63. Very good. We have got our required number. Next is part E. Look at the sign first. The sign is of division. So we are going to divide the 49 by the table of 7. So read the table of 7 until we got the number 48. So students, read it with me. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, and 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49. Here is our number 49. So we are going to write here 7 sevens are 49. Next is the part F. So students, here is the sign of multiplication. So we are going to multiply both of these numbers. You can read the table of 6 until the 8, or you can read the table of 8 until the 6. Which one is easier for you? Let's read the table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, and 8 six are 48. Very good. Let's write it here. Next is the part G. So students, as we have solved all of these questions by the same process, so here is the sign of multiplication. You are going to read the table of 5 till the 10. 5 tens are 50. Very good. If you know the dodging tables, then these are more easier for you. Next is 42 is being divided by the number 6. Read the table of 6 where we get 42. 6 sevens are 42. Very good. Read it. 6 sevens are 42. So we have solved it. Next is with the sign of multiplication. Read the table of 3 till the 6. 3 6 are 18. Very good, we have solved it. Now students, here is the part J. You will read the table of 10 until the 1. 10 ones are 10. Very good. Look, we have solved it. This multiply sign can easily be solved with the tables. Next, you are going to read the table of 7 till you got the number 70. So students, where we got the number 70 in the table of 7? Yes, 7 tens are 70. So 10 is our answer because 7 tens is 70. Next is the part L, in which you are going to multiply 20 with the number 0. So students, 20 when, look at this, when we are multiplying a digit with the number 0, then our answer is 0. So 20 0 are 0. Okay. Students, remember one thing, when we multiply any digit, any number with the 0, because 0 is our magical word, so that word or that digit will become the 0, just like this. Okay. Come toward our next question, question number 2. Students, in this you will write the multiplication and the division facts. So students, here we are going to write the multiplication and the division facts. Look, here are the signs of multiplication and division. So students, let's come towards our first question, part A. Students, here, look at this students, here we are first multiplying the two digits. 6 5s are 30, and as we know that when we read the table of 6 until the 5 we get the number 30, and the reverse with it, if we are multiplying the 5 with the 6, we read the 5 until the 6 we got the number 30. Let's read it first. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, and 6 4s are 24, and 6 5s are 30. Look, we get the number 30 in the table of 6. And let's come to our second line, that is 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, and 5 6 are 30. Look, we get the number 30, that is the same number from the table of 5 2. Okay. Now these are the multiplication facts. Come towards this point. Students, look at this. We are dividing the number 30 by the 5, just like the multiplication. Now students, look at this. In the table of 5 we get the number 30 by the 6. 5 6 are 30, and again we get 30 in the table of 5 on which number? On the 6. And again in the table of 6 we get the number 30 on which number? We get it on the number 5. Okay. Students, firstly we are multiplying two digits and get the number. Then we will multiply the same digits but in inverse way to get the same number. And then we will divide our answer and our second digit, and then we will get our first digit here in the division facts. Okay. Let's do our second question. Look at this students. Here two of the digits are written and you are going to multiply these two digits. 2 7s are 14, and again 2 7s are 14. And here in the second box you are going to write these terms but with the division facts. Okay. Now look at this students. If you are going to read the table of 2 till the 7 you get this number, and if you read the table of 7 until the number 2 you get the same number. Now students, in the division box we are going to divide these numbers. Firstly we will write our answer, then the sign of division and our second number. So students, 14 divided by 7 and our answer is 2. And opposite to it, if we are going to divide 14 by the number 2, then our answer is 7. Okay. Next is our part C. Students, firstly we will do the multiplication fact and then the division facts. Okay. Let's multiply or read the table of 8 until the 9. Read the table of 8 until 9. and tell me the answer. 8 nines are, and our answer is 72. Very good. And now we are going to reverse these two digits, and we are going to multiply 9 with the 8. Or now you will read the table of 9 until the number 8. So tell me students, 9 8s are 72. Very good. Both are the answers same. So students, next is our division fact. In this we are going to write our answer and our second number. So students, here is our answer divided by our second number. So students, 72 divided by 9, and our answer is 8, because we are going to read the table of 9, and in the table of 9 we get the number 72 by the 8. Okay. Next is 72 divided by 8, and then we are going to read the table of 8 until the number on which we get the number 72. Okay, let's read the table of 8, and in the table of 8 we get the number 72 on which number? Tell me students. 8 9s are 72. Very good. So students, here we have solved our division fact. Okay, next come towards the part D. So students, firstly we will multiply these two digits. 9 5s are 45. Very good. Now let's reverse these digits. 5 multiply by 9, and 5 9s are again 45. In the second box we are going to do the division facts. We are going to divide our answer with our second digit. 45 5s are, tell me the answer students. Read the table of 5 where we get 45. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, and 5 9s are 45. So our number is 9. Okay. Next we are going to divide our answer, that is 45, with the second digit, that is the 9. So students, 45 divided by 9, and our answer is 5. Okay, because in the table of 9 we get 45 on which number? 5. Okay. Now students, here is our part D. 8 7s are, tell me students, read the table of 8 till the 7. 8 7s are, yes, our answer is 56. Very good. Now students, tell me the next step. Quickly. Yes, we are going to reverse these numbers. So we are going to write 7 first and then the 8. 7 8s are 56. Okay. Come towards the second box, that is our division fact. Here we are going to write our answer first with the sign of division and our second number, that is 7. Now students, read the table of 7 where we get the number 56. Read it. 7, yes, 7 8s are 56. Very good. Come towards the next point. Here we are going to divide our number 56 with our second number, that is 8. So students, 56 divided by 8, and our answer is 8. Yes, read the table of 8. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Where we get 56? Tell me. Yes, on the number 7 we get the number 56. Now look students, here all of these are formed with only these two numbers. Next is our part F. In this we are going to multiply these two numbers. So students, 3 9s are, yes, tell me. Yes, very good. 3 9s are 27. Now we are going to reverse these two digits. 9 3s are again, 9 3s are 27. Okay. Now students, in the division facts we are going to write our answer first and then our second number. Okay, that is the 9 here. So students, 27 divided by 9, and our answer is 9. 3s are 27. Next is 27 divided by our second number, that is the 3. So students, read the table of 3 where we get 27. Read it with me students. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, and 3 8s are 24, and 3 9s are 27. So students, our answer is 3 9s are 27. So our answer is 9. Here is the part G. So students, here we are going to multiply 10 with the 6. Read the table of 10 till the 6. 10 6 are 60. Very good. In the next step, we are going to reverse these two numbers. 6 10s are again 60. Okay. Now students, we are going to reverse these numbers here. 60, that is our answer, is being divided by our second number, that is the 6. So students, read the table of 6 where we get our answer 60. Yes, 6 10s are 60. Very good. In the next step, 60, that is our answer, is being divided by the second number, that is here 10. So students, 60, you are going to read the table of 10 till the number 60. Yes, 10 6 are 60. So here is our answer 6. Now look at the students. Here the answers are first digits of our multiplication. Okay. 4 6 are 24. Very good. Here we are going to reversing our digits. 6 4s are 24 again. Okay. Now students, we are going to divide our answer by our second number. 24 divided by 6. So students, read the table of 6 till the number 24. 6 4s are 24. Very good. In the next, we are going to divide our answer by the number 4 here. Now read the table of 4 till the number 24. 4 6 are 24. Here is our answer 6. Now match our answers with the first numbers 4 and 4, 6 and 6. Look, we have solved our division and multiplication facts. Okay. Hope students, this will be clear to you and very helpful for you. Do practice of these questions by yourself. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.